So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add bullet points here in Microsoft Word. So fairly straightforward. Once your document is opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the top left-hand side of your screen right here and make sure that the Home tab is selected. Once that is done, just go to this option right here to where it says bullet points, or there's three little bullet icons right here, right below where it says mailings for me. Press on bullet points right here, and that adds a bullet point by default. So if you wanted to maybe have a to-do list in the morning, so we'll just say wake up, and if you automatically press on return, it then adds another bullet point. So it'll be get out of bed, check phone, whatever the case may be. If you were to keep pressing enter, it'll do it. If you press it one more time, it actually then ends the bullet points. And if you want to do it again, just go back to the bullet points right here, press on it, and then you can create a new list. So fairly straightforward, fairly simple. This is how to add bullet points here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.